folder. All right, but then there's nothing inside. So instead of me to use Codex to just create um the React app folder from scratch. So to avoid my usage token to to elapse or to waste, I'll just create that manually because it's actually straightforward and easy. All right, I'll just head to my terminal, and then in my terminal I'll just do npm create vit at latest. All right, so I'll create my React folder. Just say React. So let's say if you want to use TypeScript or JavaScript, I'll just go ahead and use JavaScript. It's not a big deal. I'll use ESNT. Yeah. So our dependencies are being installed now. We'll just wait. So it's better to actually create this manually to save our token, because if we should use it, if we should want to use Codex, is actually like a waste since we know already what we want to do. All right. I think that is creating manually is better. So this is stuff. All right, checking this. All right, so we are going to build something cool using Codex. So we are going to just I'm going to delete this. We don't need it. Yes, we are going to delete this. All right, I'll just clear this and bring something. Okay, so we should come here. We have that. The reason it is here because of our CSS file, which will just delete everything there. Coming back, everything is inside. All right. So now, just going to so in this source folder, we are going to create a folder. We call it components. All right. These are our components. Our components. Then inside these are components. We are going to create a file. Let's say navbar. All right. And then navbar, sorry about that. I'm sorry, I have to rename this navbar.gxx. So rafc. Okay, I'll just delete this. So watch me as I use Codex to create a sleek and cool navbar. All right, so let's do this. Let's work with Codex. Use the navbar and create a navbar component is fully responsive. Let's see what it's going to do. So it's going to take a quick look of our folder first. What, if we are using Tailwind or the vanilla CSS. So it's just like a plan mode in Cursor. All right, so it's going to take a look at our folder and then give implementation plan and then start working like this. So let's see what it's going to do. All right, it's working under the hood, so we'll just wait for it for a while. It's working. All right, have you seen that? It just created a navbar for you, for us actually. It also created a CSS file for this. Okay, so it is done creating our navbar. Our navbar is ready. So let's see, take a look at how it looks like. All right, so let's check if it was actually imported. Yeah, it was imported here. So let's open and check how this thing looks. All right, let's check how it looks. Bingo. See how our number looks. Is actually nice and responsive. Alright, so Codex, instead of us to just build this from scratch, Codex help us to do this thing for us. I can actually build a cool hero section that really makes sense. So let's try that. We are going to build use Codex to build a hero section that is slick and very nice. All right, so let's go to our components. All right, and create a new file. Call it hero.jsx. All right, rafc. Let's try that. We head to our codex and say grab the hero.jsx and create a hero section, a hero component for we can go further and say you should make it responsive, make it responsive. All right, let's see what it does. Take a look, it's actually working under the hood. is working under the hood. Bingo. So this is our hero section. All right. Let's see. Now it is done creating our hero section for us. So let's say go to our hero section is here. Okay. So let's see how that looks. Bingo. So this is our hero section. Nice and sleek. We can actually open this in the external browser. See how that looks. Very nice. So Codex helps us to build this thing very fast, and it is easy to use. So this is how to use Codex, to integrate Codex in your VS Code and use it. All right. See you in the next lesson.